Hello everybody, this is Tennis here. Today I'm gonna show you how to run C program in your Visual Studio Code. Let's get started here. So we have to download two software. One is MinGW compiler and another one is Visual Studio. So at first go to your favorite browser, search MinGW or type this HTML link. This is third-party page for downloading MinGW for Windows operating system. I will use this similar .exe file. So click on this MinGW 17.1, which is without Git. Now it's downloading. It will take some time to download. All depends on your internet connection speed. Here MinGW file downloaded successfully. Now click on show in folder. It's time to install MinGW.exe file. So double click on this software, run this software. Here delete all of this except clone / then click extract button. It's start extraction and installation process. It will take some time to complete. Now we need to edit path in environment variable so that we can access GC in Visual Studio Code. So open this PC, local disk, open MinGW, then bin folder, click on address bar and finally copy this path. Go back this PC, then right click on this PC, properties, advanced system setting, environment variables, select path and click on edit button, then click on new option. Now paste here MinGW path in the blank field, then click on OK button, OK again. Now let's check it's working or not. So go to Windows, search, type cmd, then right click, run as administrator. Type here gcc space dash dash version, then press enter. As you see here showing gcc 9.2.0, that's means successfully installed MinGW GCC compiler on your Windows 10 system. Now close this command window. Now I'm going to download Visual Studios. If this software already installed on your Windows, then skip this part. So now open your browser again, search VS Code downloaded, press enter, then open this site. As you see here, this is the version for Windows 7, 8 and 10. Just click over here for download the Visual Studio.exe file. It's downloading. Open folder. Now I'm going to run this software. Select the accept, click next button, next. Here select this additional text you would like setup to perform while installing Visual Studio Code. Then click next. It's installing now. Click on finish button. Here as you see several color of studio theme. I am selected dark one. Just click on mark done. Go to search extensions bar. Now search in extensions marketplace, type here C/C++. Select the first option, it's from Microsoft company, and click on install. It's installing. Now go again, search bar, type code runner. One thing that you have to make sure this extension from Jonhan. Then click install. It's installed. Now I'm going to test for run C program language. So go to the file option, create new file, save this file, click save option, write this file name, don't forget to write .c extension, then click save button. Don't forget to save this program, otherwise it will not work. As you see here, printed here, thanks to tennis. Now I'm going to create another program because we have to set in setting for get input from user in terminal. Same way, go again file option, create a new file, then go again file for save the file. I'm giving name here user, then click save button. Save this file and run this file by pressing play button. As you see here, our program running, but it's not display any output here. This is the problem. So we have to set terminal for take input and also display output the result. So first stop this program by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus M. Now go to the setting icon below in left side, click setting option, then search code runner. Run in terminal and check this box, then cancel this setting and return back to run the code again by pressing play button. Now you can see it's working. So this is how you can run C program in your Visual Studio. Thanks for watching.